Welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Engineer. Myself Pramod Kumar. For watching latest video on engineering and technology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for latest video information. I am going to describe types of gear in this video. As we know, gear are toothed mechanical transmission element used to transmit motion and power between machine element. On basis of arrangement and purpose, gear are classified as spur gear, helical gear, bevel gear, worm gear, rack and pinion gear, double helical or herringbone gear. Let's describe each gear one by one. First one is spur gear. Spur gear is a basic type of gear. It has a straight teeth. Teeth are cut parallel to the axis of shaft. It is meshed with similar gear size as per requirement. It is used to transmit motion between two parallel shafts. The main disadvantage of spur gear is that the operation is very noisy. Spur gear is mainly used in electrical motor, automobile gearbox, machine tool gearbox and industrial gearbox. Note that the spur gear are mainly used for low speed application only. Next one is helical gear. Helical gear is used to transmit power between the parallel shaft. In order to avoid noisy operation in helical gear, teeth of gear are cut in such a way that they make an angle with the axis of shaft. This angle is called helix angle. Due to inclined teeth, the transmission of motion, the teeth of gear engage gradually, providing a smooth and quiet operation. Application of helical gear is automobile gearbox, reduction gear turbine and transmission motor. Next type of gear is bevel gear. Bevel gear is used to transmit motion between two non-parallel intersecting shafts. In bevel gear, the shafts are at 90 degrees with each other or a different angle. Teeth of bevel gear can either be straight, spiral or hypoid. Bevel gear are having straight teeth are called straight bevel gear. Bevel gear having spiral teeth are called spiral bevel gear. Bevel gear having hypoid teeth are called hypoid bevel gear. Bevel gear mainly used in car differential and other workshop machinery. Next one is worm gear. Worm gear is used in transmit power between two non-parallel, non-intersecting shafts with high velocity reduction. Worm gear consists of a worm and worm wheel. Worm is a cylindrical member having involute tooth and act as a driving member. Worm wheel is a teeth gear act as a driving member. Worm gear has a shallow angle which locks the machine gear at its place and cannot turn the worm back. The main application of worm gear is lifting devices, speed reducer and screw jack. Next is rack and pinion. Rack and pinion gear convert rotational motion into linear motion in straight path with infinite radius. Pinion is a gear on the shaft which rotate the rack. If the pinion rotate about a fixed axis, the rack will translate, that is, move on a straight path. According to its application, it is mainly used in car steering mechanism. Next and last type of gear is double helical or herringbone gear. As the name indicates, it is the combination of two helical gear mirroring with each other. It is a special type of gear that is a side-to-side combination of two helical gear of opposite hand. The main application of the double helical or herringbone gear is a propeller shaft. Hope you understand the classification and application of gear. If you think video is knowledgeable for you, then like, share and comment on video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.